From improving our daily tasks to transforming industries, AI continues to amaze us with its remarkable capabilities. But what if I told you that AI not only holds the potential to simplify our lives but also has the ability to generate staggering amounts of money? Yes, you heard it right. With the untapped potential of this unknown AI, making money online has reached unprecedented heights. Number 1. Web design. Web design has emerged as a dynamic and creative field that plays a crucial role in shaping the online presence of businesses. With the growing demand for visually appealing and user-friendly websites, the demand for skilled programmers and web designers has skyrocketed, paving the way for lucrative careers and prosperous freelancing opportunities. Traditionally, mastering the art of web design required extensive training, including completing courses, learning coding languages, and developing a keen creative vision. Web designers spent countless hours honing their skills to create captivating digital experiences for businesses and individuals. Their expertise commanded high salaries, and freelance web designers were living a life of abundance. However, the tides of change are upon us, and a new era is dawning in the realm of web design. Thanks to the rapid advancements in AI technology, the landscape of web design is undergoing a radical transformation. No longer is coding mastery a prerequisite for creating a compelling website. Enter the world of AI, where the boundaries of what is possible are pushed to extraordinary limits. Hakus offers a simple and intuitive solution that harnesses the power of AI to empower individuals to effortlessly create stunning websites. The process is remarkably straightforward. All you need to do is engage in a chat with an AI bot, which will guide you through a series of questions to gather the necessary information about your business. Let's say you're starting a pet clothing store. The AI bot will inquire about the type of services you plan to offer and your desired website functionality. Within a matter of minutes and just 7 simple questions, you'll witness the magic unfold. Hakus will generate not just 1, but 3 variations of your website design and layout. Each variant offers its unique style and aesthetic, allowing you to choose from a range of color palettes and fonts that align with your brand identity. Every aspect of the website, from the landing page to the gallery, contact page, and About Us section, can be easily customized and fine-tuned using the AI's intuitive interface. But the power of Hakus doesn't stop there. It goes beyond creating a static website and extends to the creation of fully functional online stores. With this AI tool, you can effortlessly set up a store page with items, prices, and even a working shopping bag. It's like having a team of professional web designers and developers at your disposal, working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. Number 2. Photo restoration. There's something magical about old family photographs. But with the passage of time, these precious memories often succumb to damage, tears, and fading colors. That's where the power of AI comes in, presenting a lucrative opportunity to restore these photos to their former glory and generate substantial income. Vance AI, a remarkable tool in the realm of photo restoration, offers a simple and cost-effective solution. The process is incredibly straightforward. Let's take a look at how it works using a photo of a lovely family in need of restoration. The image exhibits visible tearing, artifacts, and overall deterioration. With Vance AI, you can effortlessly upload the photo and within seconds witness a remarkable transformation. Once the AI processes the image, the results are nothing short of impressive. The tearing and damage are nearly eradicated, leaving behind a beautifully restored photo. For even more remarkable outcomes, you have the option to download the image and process it once again. Additionally, let's not overlook the significant role of colorization in image restoration. Vance AI excels in this aspect as well, effortlessly infusing vibrant hues and lifelike tones into the photo, bringing it back to life. Now, let's delve into the exciting realm of earning potential. If we explore popular freelancing platforms like Fiverr, we come across numerous individuals offering photo restoration services. One such example charges a modest fee of $5 for 10 images. While this may initially seem like an unprofitable niche, a closer look reveals hidden opportunities. Consider that this particular seller has only completed 171 orders, indicating a relatively new venture. With the aid of Vance AI, you can begin your own photo restoration business, charging the same $5 for 10 images. Here's where the numbers become intriguing. Each photo processed by Vance AI requires 1 credit, and for a mere $18, you can purchase 1,000 credits. Simple math demonstrates that with this investment, you will have enough tokens to complete 100 orders. Now, let's put these numbers into perspective. If you're completing 100 orders at $5 per order, you're looking at a total revenue of $500. Subtracting the initial investment of $18, your net profit stands at a staggering margin. This showcases the immense earning potential that lies within the realm of AI-powered photo restoration. Number 3. Branding. Creating a captivating brand logo and identity has traditionally been a costly endeavor. Businesses often find themselves investing significant resources in hiring multiple designers, uncertain of the results they will achieve. Alternatively, they turn to platforms like Fiverr, where they can order logo designs at a fraction of the cost. But what if there was a better, more efficient way to accomplish this? Enter Logo AI, the game changer in brand logo and identity creation. With Logo AI, the entire process can be automated, saving you time, money, and uncertainty. Let's explore how this incredible technology works and how you can profit from it. Using Logo AI is remarkably simple. All you need to do is input the name and slogan of your business, select your industry, preferred color scheme, font type, and wait. In just a matter of minutes, you will be presented with a plethora of logo designs to choose from. Each design can be instantly previewed on various products, websites, and more, giving you a comprehensive understanding of how it will resonate with your audience. But here's where the real opportunity lies. You can now leverage this powerful technology to offer your own branding services on platforms like Fiverr. Imagine posting a gig promising to create a complete brand identity for $90. As clients reach out to you, simply ask them the same set of questions that the AI prompts you with. Then, follow the process I've shown you, generating exceptional logo designs within minutes. In just 15 minutes of work, you can deliver a complete brand package, including design files, brand identity, and vector files, all for an investment of just $30. And lastly, coming in at number 4, making presentations. We've all experienced the tedious process of creating presentations, whether it's for university assignments or office meetings. Hours are spent selecting layouts, arranging text blocks, and striving to strike the perfect balance between creativity and effectiveness. But what if I told you there's a way to transform this laborious task into a profitable side hustle? Enter Wepic, an impressive AI tool that will revolutionize the way you create presentations. With Wepic, what used to take hours can now be accomplished in mere minutes. The process is straightforward. Just input the topic of your presentation, select the desired style or difficulty level, and let the AI do the rest. Within moments, your presentation will be ready to captivate your audience. Let's take a closer look at Wepic's capabilities. With just a few clicks, you can generate a professionally designed presentation consisting of multiple slides, each tailored to your chosen style. Whether you prefer a casual, relaxed vibe or a more polished and professional appearance, Wepic has you covered. The quality of the presentations it produces surpasses what most of us could create from scratch in hours. And the best part? It only takes about 15 minutes to complete a presentation using Wepic. Now, let's talk earnings. If we explore Fiverr, a popular freelancing platform, we discover a range of prices for presentation services. Filtering out established sellers, we find newcomers charging as low as $10 for a 10-slide presentation. Even more intriguing, some sellers have already completed a substantial number of orders, proving the demand for their services. The quality of these presentations doesn't surpass what you can achieve with Wepic, meaning your offerings will be on par with established sellers. While exact earnings may vary, it's clear that making presentations can become a reliable side hustle with the potential for significant profits. As technology continues to evolve, so do the opportunities it presents. AI is reshaping industries, simplifying complex processes, and providing individuals with the tools to excel in their entrepreneurial pursuits. Thank you for joining us on Official Tech Expert today. We hope you enjoyed our tech-filled adventure and found our videos enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, we're here to be your trusted source of tech expertise, and we're committed to bringing you new and exciting content on a regular basis. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a moment of the latest tech trends, gadget reviews, and helpful tips. We value your feedback, so please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Is there a specific tech topic you'd like us to explore? Let us know, and we'll make it happen. Together, let's continue to embrace the wonders of technology and unlock the possibilities that lie ahead. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech adventures, right here on Official Tech Expert. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the world of tech.